Very good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining today's live session. My name is Poonam Mehta. I am Director Training at Right Directions. So, students, in today's session, I'll give you a brief highlight about Red Deer College that is located in Alberta, Canada. In addition, I'll be discussing about the admission requirements, their upcoming intakes, and the popular courses which Red Deer College is offering to the international students. Let me assure you all that even in this pandemic situation, Right Directions is constantly working towards the process of applications for the interested candidates. As you all know, Canada is one of the most preferred study destination among Indian students. So keeping the same thing in mind, our expert team of counselors is making effort in this pandemic situation to keep students upgrade about the latest admission updates for the Canadian colleges and universities. So Right Direction team is working hard to ensure smooth filing and admission process for the upcoming intake. So now let us move on and talk about Red Deer College. See, Red Deer जो college है located है Red Deer, Alberta, Canada में, and it is halfway between two major cities of Calgary and Edmonton. So जो Red Deer College है public secondary institution है, and जो ये establish हुआ था ये college, and it was established in 1964. एंड ये जो रिकॉग्नाइज्ड है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ कनाडा से रिकॉग्नाइज्ड है एज अ डेजिग्नेटेड लर्निंग इंस्टीट्यूशन एंड स्टूडेंट्स जैसे ही इस कॉलेज में स्टडीज कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं दे आर एलिजिबल फॉर पोस्ट स्टडी वर्क परमिट. आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू 96% ऑफ ग्रेजुएट जो जैसे ही यहाँ से ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं अपनी स्टडीज कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं दे आर सेटिस्फाइड विद द क्वालिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन and 92% of graduates they get the jobs within 6 months of their graduation. And जो इसमें installment plans हैं Red Deer College में they offer very good installment plans for the students to pay tuition fee. And जो on campus accommodation है as Red Deer provides on campus accommodation so काफ़ी cost effective है. It costs around $2,300 to $3,300 per semester depending upon the type of apartment selected by the student itself. जो रेड डियर कॉलेज है काफ़ी मॉडर्न और हाई क्वालिटी फैसिलिटीज़ प्रोवाइड करता है स्टूडेंट्स को एंड जो इसमें कॉस्ट ऑफ लिविंग है बेसिकली काफ़ी लोअर है इन कंपैरिजन टू लार्जर कैनेडियन सिटीज़. एंड अगर मैं बात करूँ मेन कैंपस फीचर्स के रेड डियर कॉलेज में तो I would like to tell you it includes world-class facilities like teaching, learning and athletic center. It also includes new resident building, dynamic performing art facilities and innovative energy lab with a wide variety of spaces to study and socialize. And talking about the instructors, these programs they are led by the professional and experienced instructors with like basically with practical and applied learning opportunities that allow students to gain experience for the real world. And जो इसमें programs हैं it offers more than 100 programs to the international students ranging from certificates, diplomas and apprenticeship to degrees basically. So now let us move on and talk about the courses which are offered by Red Deer College for the upcoming January 2021 intake for the international students. See, there are a lot of courses. I'll be talking about few courses like Diploma Business Administration जो course है इसमें जो requirement है basically student की overall 60% requirement है with no band like with no marks less than 50% in each subject. And moving to the next course that is Diploma of Early Learning and Childcare and even the certificate program है of early learning and childcare, diploma of visual arts, even there are certificate programs available for of education assistant and जिसमें requirement है overall 50% की requirement है with each 50% subjects. And talking about the bachelor programs, they are also offered by Red Deer College and it is offered under university transfer program. So जो bachelor program है that is of 4 years जो डिग्री है बेसिकली सो 2 years स्टूडेंट कैन डू इन रेड डियर कॉलेज एंड जो नेक्स्ट 2 years है वो पार्टनर यूनिवर्सिटी में दे कैन अंडरगो. So the best part is student अगर जैसे इसमें bachelor's कर रहे हैं, students will be able to save a lot of money in terms of their tuition fees, as they'll be paying first 2 years tuition fees in Red Deer College, so which is quite affordable to the international students. So also students will be getting 2 certificates, one certificate for the diploma and other certificate for the bachelor's degree. So students can also go for Bachelor of Arts, even Bachelor of Science, Bachelor of Commerce, Bachelor of Education. There are a lot of bachelor degrees with various major options depending upon the student requirement and their interest, and it should be relevant also. And even जो students हैं, they can also go for Bachelor of Business Administration in collaboration with Mount Royal University of Canada. So let's talk about the English language requirement. So जो English language requirement है IELTS की, overall 6.5 band required है with no band less than 5.5 in each. But for early learning and childhood care, overall 6.5, और उसमें आपके 6 each required and rest in 5.5 each. So talking about PT में 59 score is required, overall 59 with 56 points in each module. अगर किसी स्टूडेंट ने डुओलिंगो किया हुआ है, दे कैन ऑल्सो गो एंड अप्लाई फॉर द ऑफर लेटर इन रेड डियर कॉलेज. डुओलिंगो की जो रिक्वायरमेंट है दैट इज 115 स्कोर टू अप्लाई फॉर द ऑफर लेटर. सो स्टूडेंट, दीज आर द रिक्वायरमेंट्स एंड एज आई टोल्ड यू अबाउट द कोर्सेज. तो इसमें फी स्ट्रक्चर भी काफ़ी नॉमिनल है. सो hurry up students, you can just grab this opportunity. You can apply in Red Deer College with right directions for the upcoming January 2021 intake. So this is the right time. You can just initiate your process, your admission process, your filing process with right directions. So we have our expert team of counselors who are giving their best. You can visit our nearest office also. आप हमारे nearest office में visit कर सकते हैं, as all of our offices are open right now. हमारी एक्सपर्ट टीम ऑफ काउंसलर्स है, आपको प्रॉपर काउंसलिंग देंगी, हर चीज़ की डिटेल्स बताएंगी. एंड फॉर फर्दर असिस्टेंस यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट एट आवर टेक्निकल सपोर्ट नंबर दैट इज 9254833333, और यू कैन कॉल एट आवर ऑल्टरनेट नंबर दैट इज 7056563636. आप हमें ईमेल भी कर सकते हैं, हमारे ईमेल ID पे भी कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं. एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो विजिट आवर explore our website also, that is www.rightdirectionsoverseas.com. So in case if you have any doubts, you have any queries, you can get in touch with the team of Right Directions. And you can also connect us with on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Quora, Pinterest, and you can stay connected with me for timely updates related to admissions, related to the universities, related to the opening of international borders, even related to the admission requirement. So stay connected with me for more live sessions. So see you soon in my next live session. So till then, keep yourself safe and healthy. Thank you.